Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is criteria based sharing. Criteria based sharing. Select this option if we want to share records based on a specific criteria such as field values. They look at field values or record types to determine if they can share a record. Typically, you will use criteria-based sharing rules to share records with specific users or groups based on the values of certain fields. Let's see an example. Share the records whose role is manager. Share all the records having country is India with user A. So user A is our account. Let's log into our Salesforce account. Using the sharing rule, OWD must be private. So under settings, there is security. Click sharing settings. So for student object, access is private. Again, coming down for the student sharing rule, already there is a owner based sharing. For the role director and access level is read and write. Again, we are going to create one more sharing rules on this particular object. Use sharing rule to make automatic extensions to your organization-wide sharing settings for defined sets of users. So in the step 1, rule name student criteria based sharing and provide the description. Here I am giving this sharing is based on criteria. Select your rule type, that is based on criteria. So criteria, field, operator and value. So we have to share the record whose country is India. So select the country equals to India. That all the record I need to share with user A account. So step 4, select the user to share with public group. So I am giving here roles, and in the roles I have to make it manager, and access level I am providing it read only. So before clicking on save button, let's log into user A account. And see how many records is getting owned by this user on the student object. So he is only owning 003 record, and it's also created by user A itself. So come back to our main account, click on save button. So the recalculation of sharing access will continue in the background. You will receive an email notification upon completion. Do you want to continue? Okay. Also, we need to verify the role of particular user. So in our case, user is user A account, and there is no role assigned for this particular user. So click on edit. assign the role manager what we had created in our role session. So now if I am going with user A account, so now here we are able to see two records. This record is owned by user A itself and country is India. If it is not India, then also he is able to see this particular record because owner is user A itself. Just check the second record 004. This is owner is Salesforce Network, our main account, and here country is India. So it is shared on the behalf of criteria. Again, coming back to our main account, just open the employee management system application. Click on student. So 003 and 004 cross verify this 002 account. So 2 is United States, so it's not shared, and 5 is again United States, so it's also not shared. Like this we are sharing the record on the behalf of criteria. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.